Okay, let's start with practice set 6. Here it deals with congruency. We have seen how to find congruent segment, what are congruent segments, angles, and lines. So first question is write the name of the pairs of congruent line segments. Use a divider to find them. It says use a divider to find them. Now I am a shortfall of divider, so I'm going to use a compass with one side pencil attached. You people please use a divider when finding the congruent line segment. Now how to do this? First thing what we are going to do, we will keep one point, get one point of the divider in middle like on point G and stretch the other point over till point N, as you can see. See till point N. Yeah, this is proper. Now this is segment NG. Now same segment NG is congruent to what all side? We have to see that. So no, this segment GB is bigger. Segment GR is same. Then segment GC is bigger. Then GE is same. GD is smaller. And GM is same. So GN, this first segment which we took, GN, that is congruent to GR, GE, and GM. Okay, three segments. So out of four, we got three congruent segments here itself. So let's see how to write. So what all congruent segments we got? Segment GN congruent to segment GR. If you want, you can measure with scale to be like to confirm it. Then GN to GE segment GN congruent to segment GE, then segment GN congruent to GM. Okay, now since GN and GR are equal, G and GE are equal, GN and GM are equal. So eventually these three segments are also equal to one another. So this fourth congruent segment you can write out of these three. Okay, but I am going to select another one. Let us see if there is any other congruent segment. After GN, let me measure GB. Okay, see, I have kept one point on G and one point of B. Now, same measurement, I have to check it is equal to GC. Yes, GB is equal to GC and nothing else. So, this is our fourth segment. That is segment GB congruent to segment GC. Okay. Now GD is not, GD is not congruent to any of these segments. Let me tell you one more time. Since GN is congruent to these three segments, so these three segments are also congruent to each other. Okay. Yeah. Let's see question number 2. Now, question number 2 is very easy. Let's see. On the line below, the distance between the any two adjoining points shown on it is equal, hence fill in the blanks. So, see, this point are on equal distance. QP, PZ, ZY, these are equidistant, all the points. So, let's see. AB, segment AB will be congruent to what segment? Now, segment AB means, see, AB, adjacent point, two adjacent point, direct adjacent. So it will be congruent to any adjacent segment like QP or ZY or XW because direct adjacent point we want forming a segment. So I'm going to write QP. So segment AB congruent to segment QP. See. Only one point distance is there. So QP also one point distance. You can also write BC, you can also write WA, but don't write BA. Don't write BA because AB and BA are one and the same. Okay, let's see AP. So A is over here and P is over here. So let's see how many distances there. 1, 2, okay, from A to P. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gaps between A and P. So we have to find congruent segments having 5 gaps between them. I'm starting with Q. So I'm going to write here Q. Now let's count 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is W. So segment AP congruent to QW. Just measure and we will measure on scale and you will get it. Or you can use divider also. Let me show you AP. Okay, I am using divider. See this AP and QW. It's congruent. Okay. Next is AC. Now let's find AC using divider only. AC. I want to check with X. So X, Z or ZX. We can write anything ZX or XZ. This one. You can write, you can take anything AX, QZ. Okay, so I'm going to write segment ZX. Now this fourth, fifth and sixth, you all try on your own. It's for homework.